Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna do something easy. We're gonna change the headlight in a 2010 Ford Explorer. Let's check it out. All right, here's our headlight. And sometimes you can grab it, the plug from the back. In this case, we can't. Looks like a 10 millimeter or 3/8. Let's see. It is a 10. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. And out she'll come. 3. You don't even have to take it out. It should twist out. You press this tab here, and that plug will come out. And then this, lefty, righty tighty, lefty loosey, pops one thing, and the old bulb pops out. Piece of cake. And the new bulb we'll be using today is an H13 is the number, and then the 9008 is like, you know, they got different options. This one's $10. The $13 one gets lower level. They go up and up and up, 13, 14, 15, up to 20 something dollars. So of course, me being cheap gets the basic. And it looks just like the old one, and the old just screws in. I'm spinning it until it's flat. And once it's flat, oh, don't ever touch the bulbs. These get so hot. If you touch the bulbs with dirt on your fingers, you'll burn the bulb out. There you go. So it's flush, and it's just clockwise, and it'll snap it. You'll hear a click. And then we plug the plug back in. You should hear it. You should hear a click. And that's it. Push the assembly back on. Line up your holes. One on the bottom, this one up top, and this one on the side, and you're done. Now they say change these things in pairs. I'm cheap, I usually do one at a time, but then you'll have one brighter than the other, but you'll never see that, the other person will. But if you want, change it in pairs. It only took 10 minutes. That's it. Thanks for checking me out. Blackout Bill, sub up. Love you guys.